Okay, so let's talk about something that I know you've seen when you're scrolling through your feed, the viral healthy recipe.
You know the ones I'm talking about, right? Those super quick, slick videos. Someone's making pancakes or bread or cookies that look absolutely amazing. And the whole time, they're promising it's incredibly good for you. One day, you might see some amazing avocado pancakes for a totally guilt-free brunch. The next day, maybe it's this bright, colorful carrot flatbread that promises to, change your life. They seem like completely different things. One sweet, one savory. But what if I told you they are all basically the exact same recipe, just wearing a different costume? Yeah, there is a hidden architecture, a repeatable formula that is powering this entire online food trend.
And that's what we're going to do. We're going to break down that exact formula so you can spot it every single time you see it. Let's get right into it.
First up, we've got to look at what's actually in these things. The whole secret starts with a very specific, very clever set of ingredient swaps.
And what's so fascinating here is the pattern. I mean, just look at this table. Every single traditional baking ingredient has a healthy stand-in. It's not about inventing new food from scratch. It's all about hacking the classics by swapping out the ingredients we've been told for years are bad for us.
The undisputed star of this whole formula is without a doubt oat flour. It's the foundation for almost everything. Now, why oats? Well, it's all about the fiber. It's super high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer, and that is a huge selling point for any recipe promising weight loss. It's the magic ingredient that lets you have your pancake and feel good about it too.
But it's not just about the oats, of course. There's a whole supporting cast. You've got avocados and nuts that sneak in to give you that rich, creamy texture you'd normally get from butter. You have maple syrup taking the place of refined sugar, and then you have these little miracle workers like chia seeds, which can magically turn into a pudding and pack in a ton of fiber.
But here's the thing. The ingredients, they're only half the story. The way these recipes are presented, the language, the words they use to sell them to you, that is just as important as the oats and the avocado.
You're never going to see a video titled, "A Pretty Decent Flatbread Recipe." No way. The claims are always bold, they're super specific, and they're transformational. This quote right here, it's pulled directly from one of our source videos for a carrot and oat flatbread. It's not just selling a meal, it's selling a tool for a whole new you.
So what's really going on here? It's pure psychology. The language promises this massive transformation. It sells purity by using words like clean energy. It makes the whole thing feel simple, like anyone can do it, and it wraps everything in this health halo, using terms like nutrient-dense to make it sound like you're eating medicine, not a cookie.
And this line right here, this is brilliant. It illustrates the final piece of the marketing puzzle. You have to create an enemy, and the enemy is the convenient, processed, store-bought version of whatever you're making. This simple phrase positions the homemade recipe not just as a food choice, but as a morally superior lifestyle decision. And they back up this fight with cold, hard numbers. You know that carrot flatbread? The video claims it's only about 130 calories. Then it immediately points a finger at the store-bought enemy, saying it has up to 400 calories from hidden oils and added sugar. It's a really simple, really powerful way to prove their point. And what's really wild about all this is that it's not just happening in one part of the world. Oh no. This formula has gone completely global, and it adapts itself to local tastes everywhere.
Just take a look at this. On the left, we've got the ingredients for avocado pancakes. On the right, it's an Indian-style carrot flatbread. They seem totally different, right? They're tailored for different palates with spices like cumin and ginger. But what's the one ingredient they both have in common? Right there at the top, oats. It's the same exact chassis with a different paint job.
And you see this pattern just pop up over and over again. We found a source for German nut cookies that swaps regular flour for, you guessed it, oats and nuts. We found another one in Hindi for a chia seed pudding that uses rock sugar instead of refined white sugar. The flavors are completely different, but the core idea, it is identical. Swap the processed stuff for whole foods. So, after peeling back all the layers of avocados and oats and some really clever marketing, what have we actually found? What is the formula that's being served to millions of people every single day? Well, here it is, the whole formula in 4 simple steps. Take a look. Step 1. The base. You start with oats. Step 2, the swap. Trade in all those processed ingredients for natural ones. Step 3, the hook. Sell it with promises of a new and better life. And finally, step 4, the enemy. Make store-bought food the villain. That's the entire blueprint.
And that leaves us with one last big question.
Are we watching a genuine health revolution happen, helping people eat better one viral video at a time? Or have we just uncovered a brilliant new recipe for marketing that's maybe less about nutrition and a whole lot more about getting clicks? I'll let you be the judge.